Where will it be? Bob told me it would be here. There it is. Ho ho ho! This must be the magic machine that gives you infinite ice creams. I guess that if I go through the door, it will grant my wish too. I want 1,000,000 ice creams, please. Huh? Oh man, what a scam. Who are you? Hey, what are you doing?
Peaceful days are always the best ones. Huh? Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Jonny, this is crazy! There's a horde of bulldozers destroying the construction site!
A horde of bulldozers? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, we need your help and quick!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take care of this. I can't get in touch with him. Time for plan B.
Hi,
Hello?
Jonny!
Guys, there's something fishy going on with Bulldozer. Can you go to the city and investigate?
Of course!
Right away, boss!
Bulldozer, stop!
You'll have to be more specific.
This is a mess. We have to stop them both. Please, leave me alone! Hey, pick on someone your own size, big guy. Catch me if you can, Anima Snail.
Huh?
Hi! You'll have to do better than that, buddy. What?
Croco, move!
Whoa!
And now!
Huh? Whoa!
What happened? Where did they go?
Guys, you better take a look at this.
Help! Help!
This is a disaster.
What?
You know what to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
We'll just need a little boost. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
You won't believe it, Jonny! Those bulldozers were cloned! We know how to defeat them, but I need a little help.
Say no more. It's power up time. With this, we'll be done in a jiffy.
Let's do this. That was the last clone left.
Yeah, but where is the real Bulldozer?
Hey, guys. Ouch!
What? I had to make sure he was the real one.
Anyway, the big guy has to answer a lot of questions.
It was this big weird machine that made clones. You'll see. No.
What's going on, Bill?
The machine is gone. It's disappeared.
Torch, check out that big sun. Today's the perfect beach day. I'm gonna show you my secret swimming technique. Aw, come on. Well, I guess we'll have to go swimming later. Duty calls. Hey, Bob. How's the construction site going today?
Hi, Johnny. Well, actually, Bulldozer's really tired. We need your help if we want to finish our work today.
Bulldozer is always working too hard. Don't worry, Bob. Coming right away. Go, go, go! All right. Maybe I should change first.
Hi, guys. Thank you for coming.
Hi, Bill. What's wrong, buddy?
Well, we've been working all morning, and with this heat, this big guy is already out of energy.
Don't worry, champ. You just need a little boost. Make some space, everyone. This anima car ain't a small one.
Hello, Wheelephant.
We need you to recharge Bulldozer's energy. Can you help us? Wheelephant has solar panel ears. They gather energy from the sunlight and turn it into electricity. Isn't that cool? Thanks to this electricity, we'll be able to get Bill back on his wheels very soon.
Okay, Bill. Let's charge you up one more time and we'll be able to finish.
What's wrong, Wheel? Oh no! Clouds have covered up the sun! Wheelephant's ears can't work!
If only there was a way to bring the sun out.
I know something we can try. I'm gonna need your help again, my friend. Can you put on your shovel, please? All right. You know what I'm thinking about, right? 3, 2, 1, go! Woohoo!
Hey, Johnny, can you hear me? What's your plan, buddy?
Come out, son. Come out. Come out, son. Come out. Aw, I really thought my sun dance would work.
Johnny, maybe we should try something else. How about a real plan?
Right. Let's call an anima friend. you for coming. See these clouds? We need to chase them away so the sun can shine again. Up and away!
Woohoo!
Flying is so cool. Okay, here's my plan. Get closer to the clouds and blow them away with your propellers. Yeah, we did it!
Thank you, Johnny. We couldn't have done it without you. Right, guys?
What's wrong, Torch? Oh, right. Sorry, guys. We've got to go. Come join us when you're done. The sun is back, and so are we. Yeah!
That turkey smells delicious, Leah.
Thanks, Ed. Look, here comes Johnny. Hi, guys. I brought mashed potatoes with veggies right out of the oven. This is going to be the best Thanksgiving ever. Huh?
What a weird noise.
What AnimaCar makes a sound like that? A sick one.
Where does it come from?
You may be in trouble. Let's have a look. Where could that weird bird go? It's so strange. Anyway, let's eat. What's wrong, Torch? Well, that's weird.
What's wrong, Johnny? Too salty, too sweet, too spicy?
No, it doesn't have any taste at all.
It's true! But that's so weird. In the kitchen, it all smelled wonderful. Where could the smell have gone?
I bet someone distracted us with that noise of a fake AnimaCar.
And stole the food's flavor and smell!
Torch, do you think you can trace them? Don't worry, buddy. We'll need an extra nose. AnimaCars, we need the help of Wheel-a-Fin. Hello, Wheel-a-Fin. We have a super task for you. Do you think you can trace this food's faint smell? I knew it.
Hey, I want to go too! Come on, Torch!
Are we getting close, Wheel-a-Fin? What happened, Wheel? Is there something wrong?
Ugh! Wow! It smells terrible! No way this is from our meal!
The thief must have dropped it while running away. Look, Wheel-a-Fin is better already. Let's go find our food. So the smells come from here. Our flavor thief must be hiding somewhere inside.
So, Johnny and his anima pets found me. I'm surprised. But their journey ends here.
Look out! We need to remove these rocks to get our flavors back. We're never going to open them like this. I need to think. Of course! If we can't remove them, why don't we break them? AnimaCars, we need the help of Rhino Trucks. Rhino trucks. Don't worry, buddy. We'll be back soon. I need you here at the entrance so the thief won't have a chance to escape. Come on, fellows. Let's go.
Hello, my distinguished and uninvited guests.
Vicky! I should have known it was you.
Of course! I'm so genius! But not a great cook. So, with my amazing ray gun, I stole all your delicious flavors and put them in my not-so-delicious food.
So it's your ray gun that we need to get our flavors back. Come on, guys. Let's get it.
It's mine!
Yeah!
No! Give it back!
Fetch, George. You won't get away with this, Vicky.
Just watch me. Uh-oh.
Catch it, Ed.
I got it! Oh no, my tummy! No! It's completely smashed!
What are we going to do?
We? You mean, what are you going to do? I'm going to have my delicious feast with all my food.
Huh, you wish. Johnny, let's take all that food to the restaurant and have a wonderful dinner. She doesn't deserve it.
That food is mine.
But the flavors are ours.
Come on, guys. Relax. I think we can make this work.
Can I have some more turkey, Leah? It's delicious.
Do you like Johnny's mashed potatoes, Vicky?
It's not too bad.
Maybe do you prefer some corn? Torch saved it just for you.
No, I'm good, thanks. There you go, Johnny. This is my latest recipe, and you'll be the first to try it. If you like it, I'll include it in my restaurant's menu.
That's so delicious, Katie. You should definitely put it in your menu.
Thank you.
Whoa! That was loud. What a big storm. I hope everybody's safe. Right, Torch? Torch? Where did Torch go? He just disappeared. Torch, where are you? Aw, here you are. Are you afraid of the storm? Aw, come here, boy. There's nothing to worry about, Torch. Storms are not dangerous. You're safe inside the house.
Johnny, there's a problem. I just called everybody to check if they are safe from the storm, but Leah won't answer. I'm worried about her.
Don't worry, Katie. You stay here safe. We got it. Let's go, Torch. Okay, Torch. You stay here with Katie until I come back. There's no time to lose. AnimaCars, we need the help of Meagle. Hey, Meagle, Leah is missing. She might be in danger. We have to find her. Let's go! I can't see her. I know. Meagle, use your zoom vision. Leah? Leah? Leah! There she is!
Johnny, Meagle, thank you for coming to save me. I got up here to fix the roof, but the wind blew the stairs over, and now I can't get down.
It's okay, Leah. We're here now. Hop on, Meagle. You're safe with us. Now, let's go back to headquarters. Are you sure you can make it, Eagle? Johnny, I'm so scared! Hold tight!
Johnny, help me!
Thank you, Johnny. That was so scary. Meagle, we can't do this. It's too dangerous. Let's go back down.
I'm sure they're safe, Torch. They'll come back soon.
Quick, we have to take shelter. No!
Are you okay, Meagle? We have to take this windmill off your tail.
Don't worry, Meagle. I know exactly who to call. AnimaCars. We need the help of G-Crane.
G-Crane, we're so glad you're here.
Torch, you came! I'm so proud of you! You overcame your fear!
We're so glad you're here, boy.
The windmill trapped Meagle's tail. You have to use your hook to lift it. We're counting on you, G-Crane. Give me your hook. It's ready. Pull now. Meagle, get out now! Yay! Now let's go back to headquarters.
Are you okay, Meagle?
Looks like he's injured. Can you fly? G-Crane, I think we're going to need your other hook. Torch, we'll need some light, buddy. All right, team, we're ready to go.
Hello! Hey! You have to tell me all about what happened. Meagle got hurt?
Yeah, but he's resting at the hospital, so he'll be better in no time.
Thank you, Torch. You're so sweet.
Looks like he's not afraid of the storm anymore.
Here I come! It's piñata time for the birthday girl. Oh, Torch, you saved me from that evil piñata.
Don't you think we have enough balloons already, Bob? Katie's birthday must be perfect. And a perfect birthday has a lot of balloons, Johnny. You of all people should know that. Okay, Bob, if you say so. While I do this, why don't you bring the cake? You got it.
Huh?
Nope. Still need more balloons. Here comes the cake! Wow. Those are too many balloons.
Nice! Yeah! Wow! Woohoo!
Behold, this is my masterpiece.
The table's flying away! Somebody grab it!
Huh?
Oh.
My balloons! perfect party! Come on, guys. We must save the cake.
A birthday party without a cake? No way, Jose!
Come on, guys. The cake's getting away. We need to go faster. AnimaCars, we need the help of Tractal! Tractal, thanks for coming to help us. We need you to take us to... Huh? Wait, where's the table?
Torch has caught a trail!
You're amazing, boy! Tractal, follow behind us. Torch knows the way.
Ouch!
Look up there! Tractal, you need to fly up there and bring back the cake.
Come back in one piece.
Don't worry, Bob. Tractal won't get a scratch. You'll see.
I don't think he was talking about Tractal.
Good, there he is!
Oh no! Tractal's reactors are making the balloons blow up! No! The cake! We need to do something! Quick! AnimaCars, we need the help of Bulldozer! Bulldozer, you must catch the cake! You got this, buddy! Good job, Bulldozer! Go Anima Knife!
I'm so sorry, Katie. I ruined your birthday party.
Are you kidding me? We had a tracking, a chase, a rescue. This was the best birthday ever.
Huh?
Yay!
And don't forget about the cake!
Like I said, a birthday party without a cake is not a birthday party.
Aw. Yes! Playing in the snow is so much fun.
I know. I love cold weather.
Huh? Wait, what happened? Why is it so hot?
Huh? Where's all the snow?
There's nothing like summer. We need your help, Johnny. The weather. It's too hot.
Katie, I'm having trouble hearing you, but don't worry, I'll send help.
Hi, Johnny?
Guys, I'm having trouble with the energy supply, and there's something going on with the weather. You need to fix it.
Don't worry, Johnny. We've got it. We'll take care of it. Wheel of Fan! We must help him!
It looks like he's had a heat stroke.
Can you pour some water on him?
Thanks, guys. It was a snowy day, but suddenly this awful heat hit me.
That's bizarre.
What a lovely sunny day. Hey!
Looks like someone's enjoying the hot weather.
Focus, Traco. We need to help Rhino Trucks.
Are you alright, buddy?
Yeah, but the heat is making me very tired. I have no energy.
Don't worry. We know what to do. Nora, we need your help, quickly!
Everything alright?
There's no electricity and this heat is damaging the AnimaCars.
Don't worry, we'll take care of that. You'll have your energy back in no time. Oh no! The power plant's not working!
Where's this cable coming from?
We should follow it to see where it leads.
This is Vicky's machine!
That's why she was so happy in the park.
Don't even bother trying, animal losers. Only I can control the machine.
We need to get that remote Wheel of Fan.
Oh, you want this? Then come and get it.
We have to be faster!
You're right, my friend. We have to get help.
Draco, is that you?
Johnny, I need your help to catch Vicky.
What was that, buddy?
Help, Johnny, help!
Don't worry, activating power up.
Now we're talking! I can't keep going with this awful heat.
I got you, Traco!
You'll never catch me, Anima Fool.
Looks like I just did.
Where do you think you're going?
Come on, Vicky. Time to get things back to normal.
All right. You'll pay for this, Anima. Achoo!
Hey, Torch, this is not fetch, this is bowling. Why don't you try it?
It's okay, Torch. Try again.
Whoa! Oh no, an earthquake! Is everyone okay?
Oh no! My building collapsed! I spent so much time to work on it.
I'm so sorry, Bob. We will rebuild it. But first, we need to see if somebody is hurt. Torch, can you smell a track? You smell somebody inside, Torch? Then let's smash those boulders. Go, Anima Pickaxel! These boulders are too big for our pickaxes. We can't do this on our own. AnimaCars, we need the help of Demo Lizard! Hello? Demo Lizard! We tried to break these boulders, but they are too big and our tools didn't work. Can you help us out?
Nice!
Well done, Demo Lizard. That's perfect! Now that they're smaller, we'll be able to break them with our tools. Huh? What's that? Look, it's Vicky!
If I had known it would take this much battery, I would have provoked a tornado instead of an earthquake.
Did you hear that? She said she provoked the earthquake.
Vicky?
Hey! Who's out there?
Up here! It's the Anima team! We came to rescue you!
I don't need your help. I can break these rocks with my ray gun. Get out of the way, Anima losers.
Looks like you do need help. Let's do this, Bob.
Wait, Johnny, are you crazy? Are we really going to save her?
Of course, Bob. She needs us.
But she's evil. She provoked the earthquake and made my building collapse.
Buildings can be rebuilt, Bob. People are more important than things. She may be evil, but we are not.
You're right, Johnny. We have to rescue her.
That's right, Bob. Now let's get to it, guys. Well done, guys. Now let's get these stones out of the way.
Yay! It's finally fixed! Now I can finally get away from here without the help of those anima prats. Oh no! Not again!
Oh no, another earthquake! Quick, guys! We need to clear the entrance fast before that boulder falls down. But there's still so much left.
What are we going to do?
Don't worry, I have an idea. AnimaCars, we need the help of Wheel Event. We need help. We need to get all these stones out of the way before the big boulder falls. Great job, Bulldozer.
The boulder's about to fall down.
There's no time to lose. Give me your hand.
What took you so long?
Run! Whew! That was close. Are you okay?
Yes.
You shouldn't have provoked the earthquake, Vicky. Being evil is not that fun when you suffer the consequences, right?
You're right. I'm sorry, Anima Team. And I'm sorry I made your building collapse, Bob.
I think I know how you can make it up to me. Great rhythm, Vicky. Keep up the good work.
You darn anima prats! You're lucky I don't have my ray gun with me.
Come on, where is he?
I'm here, Nora.
Just in time, Rhino. With these batteries, I'll be able to finish my new invention. We'll see about that. Evil Vicky, what are you doing here? Isn't that funny? I need that same battery to finish my Ultra Destruction Ray. And you're going to help me get it.
Oh!
Rhino, no! That's right! Get her! This is Johnny. What can I help you with? Johnny, I need your help. Vicky has hypnotized Rhino trucks to steal my battery and build some evil gadget. Don't worry, Nora. My team is on the case.
Hi, Johnny.
Hi, Johnny.
Tiger, Batfly. Vicky's causing chaos at the mechanic shop. You need to stop her.
Of course, Johnny.
We'll take care of it.
Stop right there, Vicky.
Oh, I can't play today, guys. But I know some people who would love to. Help! Get them, my minions! Get them! See you never, animal losers!
Batfly, go after Vicky, and I'll take care of these guys.
Okay, Tiger.
Eat my dust. Let's do this. Yo ho, I'm on fire! Oh boy. That was close. I hope that Batfly is doing all right.
Come on, where could she be? Huh? There she is. If she gets to the cave before I reach her, we'll be lost. Hi, Batfly. How's the mission going? I have a problem, Johnny. Tell me. I spotted Vicky, but I won't catch her unless I'm faster. I need your help. Sure thing. Activating power up. Woohoo! Let's get to work. You really outdid yourself this time, you brilliant genius. Huh? What's that? Yes! No, 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 no! Oh, did you drop something? No! My battery! My ray gun! Don't worry, I'll get it for you. Next time, Vicky! You'll pay for this, Anima brats! You'll see! Thanks, guys! Now I'll be able to finish my invention! I'm really glad, Nora, but what about them? I'll handle this.
How are you feeling, Rhino Trucks?
I'm okay, but I just had the weirdest dream ever.
It's alive!
Help! Someone help me!
This city is mine.
Here's Johnny. How can I help?
Johnny, help me! She's got a T-Rex truck!
Oh no, this isn't good. Don't worry, Bob. I'm sending help. Guys, red alert! Vicky is attacking the city with some kind of dinosaur. You gotta get there as soon as possible.
All right.
All right. Oh no, what a mess!
We need to find Bob.
Wait, what's that?
Quickly, guys, let's help him.
What do you think you're doing, animal loser?
I got you, buddy.
Come on, let's get them!
You're safe now, Bob.
Thank you, guys, but that evil creature is still out there!
Don't worry, stay hidden and we'll take care of Vicky.
Stop right there.
You wish.
Easy peasy.
Hey! Oh no! They're gonna get Katie!
We need some help.
Hi, dog ears.
Hi, Johnny. I need your help to stop Vicky and her T-Rex.
Roger that. Activating power up.
Time to stop that evil monster.
I'll give you all my ice cream, Vicky, but please stop him. But where's the fun in that?
Your evil plans are over.
You really think you can defeat us, little kitty?
Well, he's not alone. Come on, Tigers, let's show them how we do it.
You're gonna pay for this, foolish lizard.
Good thinking, pal.
about it, Vicky.
You still have to clean all this mess.
I hate you, animal losers!
I am a genius. AnimaTown is about to be mine.
What's happening here?
One more zombie for my army.
Joe, are you all right? Wait.
Of course she's okay. Move, my creature.
Hi, Lance. How can I help you?
Vicky is creating an army of zombies. She's converting every human.
Oh no, don't worry. Help is on the way. We have an emergency situation. You have to stop evil Vicky immediately.
All right.
We're on it.
Eh?
Hey, Bob!
Wait, what are you doing, my friend? Whoa!
Where is he going?
I have no idea.
Everyone to the power plant. Those animal losers will have no more energy.
Oh no! So that's her evil plan!
We have to stop it, and fast.
Oh, be careful! Ugh, what a bunch of bubbleheads. Ugh, these anima fools are here. Go and get them!
Ow! Oh!
Be careful, Draco. Don't hurt him.
Take him off! Take him off!
Come on, Crocodile. Let's go get Vicky.
Don't worry about them. Just keep working.
We need to find a way to stop Vicky without hurting the humans.
I'd better call Johnny.
Hi, Crocodile.
Johnny, hurry up! I need help to stop that awful little girl!
All right, activating power up.
Now we're talking!
Come on, buddy. I'll try to distract them, and you get Vicky's gun.
All right!
Hello, little villain.
Wanna play, little bull? Zombies, get him!
Now's my turn.
You'll never get me, you stupid lizard.
Well done, Bulldozer!
What? Huh?
Oh,
Whoa! I did that?
What happened?
My evil plan! How dare you, anima villains!
I guess I'll have to clean up the city again.